everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is like going to be just a total hangout with me kind of day. I've got some housework to do. I've got to clean up my, can you guys see my balloons and all this stuff? Boo, but it's got to be done. So we're just going to, yeah, do what we need to get done today, and you get to hang with me. Who else is watching the news? Yeah. Guys, we're just going to start by, I got to take all this stuff down, so. It's supposed to be so nice. Actually, it's supposed to be like in the 90s this weekend. Today is, what's today? Today is Wednesday? Tuesday? Guys, I can't even keep up with what day it is anymore. But yeah, it's supposed to be super warm this weekend. Hot, actually. So I want to get the house all cleaned up. Maybe we'll do like a little cookout or something. Go swimming. I don't know. No, I'm not going to keep this because the tape has sort of ruined it. So I'm going to get rid of this. And then I've got to pop all my balloons. Eee, my balloons. I've got them everywhere. They're like, Randy had so many freaking balloons because there's those. Then I still got to clean my she shed again too. Every time I do a video, I make a huge mess. I've got all of these in here. I've got to clean up. So I think I'm just going to pop them all and put them in the trash. I doubt if you guys are gonna want me to, I don't know, do you want to watch me pop my balloons? Let's go into my kitchen and get, let's see, I'm going to get a pair of scissors. Wow, that's gonna be the evil Schmeevil that's gonna get rid of all my balloons. So let's go ahead and do that. All the baby's toys are down here. Ready? Ooh! Okay, I'm not gonna do that. You guys are probably dying right now. You know, having little doggies is like having little toddlers. They spread their toys all over the place. Ooh, I best change this. Today's not that deep. That's more like it. I think I'm gonna light my pretty little candle here. This is a redone candle and it smells so pretty. Love it. And I really like having my little warmer on. Although, it doesn't really put out much of a scent, my warmer. But I still think it's so pretty on. Okay guys, I gotta put the dishes away. So, I know this is just such a fun and exciting video. But you're getting a day in the life of what I do. I cook dinner every night. Randy does dishes every night. Works out great. Don't you guys just love my little this house was built in 1955, I think, 54, 55. And not a lot's been changed, so just a little bit here and there. I quite like it. I would much prefer having a big kitchen because I cook a lot. But it is what it is. I'll take it. So after I get the dishes put away, I think I gotta go pick up my she shed as well. I do have to go to the grocery store again. It feels like I live at the grocery store, you guys, and I'm not much into being out and about at this time at all. But now I just need to decide, do I want to tackle Walmart or do I want to tackle just a regular grocery store? I don't know. I don't want to do either one actually, but it is what it is. Gotta get the groceries done. I have a pet peeve of dirty dishes being left in the sink. So whenever I eat, I always wash the dishes after myself. Everybody in the house has to wash their own. Like I say, Randy does the dinner dishes at night, which he does. But like during the day, if you eat or whatever, whoever eats whatever, I'm very strict about when you're done, wash your dishes and put them away. And that includes myself. So you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, so the mail came today and I got a package. I know what it is. It's a hair curler or something like that, I think. Straightening iron. This company called, let me cover my address. There it is. Duval Brands Incorporated. They sent me a hair curler, or hair straightener. Let me open it up real quick. So do any of you have this brand? Have you ever used it before? Obviously I haven't. They want me to review it, but I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair because it's like, it's not long curliness, and I'm not straightening it now. But this is the package. Oops, there you go. That's what it looks like. Let's open it up and see what we got here. Oh, it just slides out. Ooh, pretty. Look at that. That's really, really pretty. It's supposed to be titanium or something like that. So it's a professional. Oh, let's see. Put you up here. Where can I put you? You know what? Maybe I can set you on a box. That's not good. Oh, a box on a box? We gotta figure something out here, y'all. Hold on. Oh. Nope. Hang on, guys. Here we go. So this is the curling iron, and it is professional styling iron. Temperature settings up to 450 degrees. Wow. Line cord safety caution. Okay, well, we're gonna have to give this a shot and see how it works on her and see how we like that. The color's off the hook. Love the color. Thank you, Duval. Thank you. We're definitely gonna give this a shot for you guys. You guys, this poor purse I've had hanging here for gosh knows how long now. It's such a beautiful Coach bag, and the strap on it, let's come in my room real quick, my she shed real quick, and I'll show you. I've got to get this fixed, you guys. It's such a beautiful, it's like brand new condition, and the strap on it, I purchased it broken, you know, knowing, oh, I'll go get it fixed. Like right here, the strap has just come unstitched, and I need somebody, a professional, to fix it so I can resell it. I mean, it's so stinking pretty. It's like in brand new condition. The leather's amazing on it. Corners are perfect. Nice pocket on the back. Love the baby blue interior. Got a zipper on the top. Look at the inside. It's so nice. You even get a free penny. I swear, every bag I open's got a penny or a nickel or something in it. Nice zipper in it. I definitely have to get this fixed up for resale. It's too nice to be sitting around here any longer. Got little pockets on the sides. So yeah, that's gonna be my next project, is getting that fixed up. 885 is cleaning up all of this makeup that I just did my little makeup tutorial on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of that back. And I got a little clutter mess over there. Just little things I need to put away in here. I wanted to show you this too, you guys. I finally got batteries. So I put some batteries in my little farm lights. Let me turn it on for you. See my little farm lights around my little shelf? Isn't that cute? Let me move my birthday gifts here. I'm gonna do a birthday present haul too, I think. Ooh, let me move this. Okay, there we go. Isn't that cute, you guys? My little farm lights, and then I also, Randy put a battery in this for me. Turn this on. So cute. Battery operated as well. But I think this is so stinking cute. So I just wanted to show you that. Been hanging there forever with dead batteries, but yay! They are alive! Okay, we are off to Wally World. I've got groceries to get. You guys notice this top? This is the one I had in my shop, my Victoria's Secret pink. Nobody bought it. And I took it out of my little, oh, this thing's gonna come down. I took it out of my little sailing stash area, where I have all my stuff for sale. And you know what? Hold on, I gotta fix this. This is too bouncy. Hold on, okay, hopefully that's a little bit better. Anyways, yeah, I took it out of my closet and I'm like, it's a perfect day. It's a perfect day for this top today. So it's off sale now. It's no longer on sale. I love this pink emblem on it because it's holographic. And you guys know I love my holographic. Is it holographic or holographic? To be determined soon. Yeah, so let's just go down here, see what we can find. I really want to make BLTs for dinner. It sounds so good. We have a lot of leftover spaghetti from last night that needs to be eaten, which will go quick. But do you guys cook every single night like I do? Every single night, 7 days a week, unless we get a wild hair up our butt and we want to go get something out. But everything now is either you have to go through the drive-through. But I ate, you guys, you guys know like my guilty pleasure of life is Del Taco. Well, I hadn't had it in like a month because of the quarantine thing. I hadn't gone out to get any. And so that's what we had for my birthday. That's what I wanted. And oh my God, I ate one bean and cheese burrito, just a regular bean and cheese burrito. All that was on it was beans, cheese, and some red sauce. I almost threw up. It made me so sick to my stomach. And then Randy actually didn't feel good the whole next day. He didn't get sick or anything. He just didn't really feel that great. And was like, oh, what the heck? So now, like, I don't even know if I ever want to eat Del Taco again, which is good because it's very bad for you. It's better than Taco Bell, but it's still not good for you. Got a lot of salt, cholesterol, all that stuff that is going to kill us all eventually, you know? So since I've been cooking at home every single night, you know, my own ingredients, my own stuff that I know is going in, and I'm fine. But man, I ate out, like, oh my, y'all, I don't think I want to ever eat that again. So let's get on over to Wally World and see what we can find, guys. Well, one thing's for sure, people are out shopping again. When I used to come here, well, like a couple weeks ago, a week ago even, there was parking everywhere, and now it's back to the same, where it's like the whole place is like cram-packed. So it looks like people are not exactly nervous or scared as they were a couple weeks ago, because there's absolutely no parking. 5 hours later, feels like. All right, mask is on. Ah, crap. Oh, I brought this purse. I didn't want to bring this in anywhere. Oh, God dang it. I didn't even think about that. Oh, you guys. A little dress overall. $16.88. Isn't that cute? A little short. I like that. Some bananas. And I'm also going to get some apples for my little puppy dog. He loves apples. So we're going to get a few here.
Customer assistance is needed at the pharmacy lockup.
these. You guys, this stuff is so good. Smells so good. All right, let me clean off my stirring bowl. Alrighty, get that all cleaned off. Oh, you guys can't even see me. Okay, all right, you guys, that's it. That's all for Walmart for today. I also bought some shelving paper. I'm gonna go redo my little shelves in my pantry area. They've never been done since I've lived in the house. They really need work. All right, you guys. It's not too bad either if you want to give this a shot. There is 1 sugar in it. Okay, you guys. Help. Oh, this little lady next to me. Poor bless her little heart, look. She's barely making it. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's barely making it around the car. Oh, she's so fragile. Okay, you guys, stay humble, stay kind, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you on next video. Bye, guys.